Hi friends, I am CL Pawar, physics teacher. Now we have started the topic magnetic material. Now, first period we have seen torque, potential energy, period of oscillation of magnetic dipole in magnetic field. Now in this period we have to study magnetic moment of revolving electron round the nucleus of atom. Magnetic moment. We have to calculate magnetic moment. For that, we have taken electron revolving round the nucleus in a circular orbit. The velocity of electron is v. Radius of circular orbit is r. So this electron revolves in this direction clockwise. Then conventional current is in opposite direction, that is in anti-clockwise direction. So then velocity is equal to displacement divided by time. So displacement is one circle, that is 2 pi r, and time is period, that is taken as capital T. Therefore P is equal to 2 pi r divided by T. This is equation number 1. This is velocity of electron. Now the current is nothing but the flow of charge per unit time. Therefore here I, current is equal to electron charge E divided by time for one complete rotation, that is period T. So I is equal to E divided by T. But T is period. What is period? Period is angular displacement divided by angular velocity. So angular displacement is 2 pi, that is one complete circle. Angle is 2 pi radian divided by angular velocity omega. Therefore omega is equal to P divided by R. Put this value in this period and this period in this equation. Therefore current becomes E omega divided by 2 pi is equal to EV divided by 2 pi R. This is equation 2. So this is current. But magnetic dipole moment. Now what is magnetic dipole moment? This magnetic dipole moment is the product of current and area. It is the product of current and area. Now here we have taken one circle, that is N, that is 1. And current is this equation number 2. Therefore orbital dipole moment M orbital is equal to IA. But area of loop is equal to pi r square. Therefore orbital dipole moment is equal to EV divided by 2 pi r, equation number 2, into area pi r square. So this pi get cancelled, 1 r get cancelled, and final equation m orbital is equal to 1 half EVR. This is equation number 4. So this is expression for dipole moment of electron revolving around the nucleus of atom. So this is first equation we have obtained, the final equation we have obtained here. The question will be like this: obtain an expression for magnetic moment of revolving electron around the nucleus. Then the answer for that question is like this. Now here, orbital angular momentum and magnetic dipole moment. What is the relation between these two factors? We have to obtain that relation. Angular momentum is the product of this mass, velocity and radius. Angular momentum. So this L is equal to MEVR, where M is mass of electron. Now adjust this equation number 4 such that multiply and divide by this equation by factor ME. Then this equation becomes M orbital dipole moment is equal to E divided by twice M into MEVR. So this is adjusted equation number 4. But in this equation, this factor MEVR, this is angular momentum. The notation L, therefore M orbital is equal to E divided by twice ME into L. This is equation number 5. So this orbital magnetic moment, this is proportional to angular momentum. This factor is constant. Therefore, this is direct relation. This is angular momentum. This is angular momentum. So this is dipole moment and this is angular momentum. This is the relation between these two factors. Now we write in vector form. Then there is negative sign. So M orbital vector form is equal to minus E divided by twice ME into L bar. That means dipole moment and this momentum, angular momentum, these are in opposite directions. So in this figure we have shown this dipole moment and angular momentum, these are in opposite directions. So these vectors are opposite directions and these are perpendicular to plane of the circle. हा जो सर्कलचा प्लेन आहे त्याला ते कसे राहतात परपेंडिक्युलर. Now in this case this gyromagnetic ratio. Now what is gyromagnetic ratio? So this gyromagnetic ratio is the ratio of dipole moment to angular momentum. So here this L to this side, then that equation 5 becomes M orbital divided by L is equal to E divided by twice ME. So this is gyromagnetic ratio. If we put the values of electron charge and mass of electron, electron charge is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 and mass of electron is 9 into 10 raised to minus 31 kg. Then final value becomes 8.8 into 10 raised to 10 coulomb per kg. Now from Bohr's second postulate, angular momentum of electron is integral multiples of h divided by 2 pi. So this L is equal to angular momentum MEVR is equal to NH upon 2 pi. If we consider first orbit, then N is equal to 1, and that equation becomes h divided by 2 pi. When we adjust this in equation 5, then dipole moment becomes EH divided by 4 pi ME. This EH divided by 4 pi ME is called Bohr magneton. So this dipole moment can be expressed in terms of Bohr magneton, and whose value is 9.274 into 10 raised to minus 24 ampere meter square. This is the value of Bohr magneton or magnetic dipole moment. अशा प्रकारे हे मॅग्नेटिक मोमेंट ऑफ रिव्हॉल्विंग इलेक्ट्रॉन हे आर्टिकल या ठिकाणी कंप्लीट होते.